Well, that's how
Yo,
people
what's
do
going
now
on,
that are
guys?
watching their cars.
Today I'm gonna
They
show
eat
you
it's
a
lettuce
tour of
roll
my
up instead
train
of bread.
fort.
That's a
So
lot of people are doing that, eating their stuff in lettuce
first
instead
up,
of
we have a
bread.
train track right here for HO scales. Yeah, there's a
and
bridge.
That's what is so filling sometimes is the bread, you know. Plus it would be nice and crisp and fresh, crunchy in the
There's a bridge that you can go across. Yeah. So I have a railroad crossing right here, and you can see a train pass by.
Usually it would say if that's how it's served, you know. Hey, what'd you find out about your
So
Did you go back?
the train line is going across here. Let me pause you for a sec, real quick. Hold on. Okay. So here comes the train. There it is. Passing train. Let's go to the bridge. So here's the bridge again. We got the train going around over. Like that. And then we couple the train up to some cars.
You should have asked them to look at your old set, though, to see if they could fix those 2 teeth that you broke out of them.
And there's the train.
That's hard to believe.
Pretty cool, huh?
They can make anything they want to.
I'm glad you like it. So, took me an hour to do this all.
Maybe try a different location then.
Looks pretty good, actually. So, yeah. I hope you like this, and so I want to. So I went to the I Love Toy Train store today. On my phone. I'll show you some pictures and videos at the end of this video. So
Well, I'm looking at.
yeah. So you
let's
can.
see, I just googled porcelain dentures. And there's a
So
place right here in Chesterton. That
So
makes
I will show you those at the end of the video, or I'll put a link down below so you can see the photos from there. I might not be able to put a link in below because I don't know how to, but let's move on.
Who are you talking to, Liam?
Here's the train again.
Tupelo, Mississippi.
Cool.
Aspen
Leave a
Dental.
thumbs up if you like this. Leave a like on this video if you love trains. Moving on. So, here's my railroad crossing craft that I made. It's a Czech Republic railroad crossing. There's Poser Vlak. That means look for the train. Poser Vlak. Now we have the light guards, the lights, and the crossbook.
It says
yeah, so pretty cool.
Huh? $2.99.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. So I'm gonna try these ketchup. I just screamed ketchup. So speaking of ketchup, I am gonna try these ketchup chips. So let's try them. They're red.
Well, that's what comes up when I googled it, but you could call up and ask them, you know.
That is good. 10 out of 10 right there. So, I will thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you on another video. Bye.
Yeah, call them and ask them.
Oh, really quick before you go. Here's the photos and videos I took all today. There was the South Shore video. Oop. Near South Shore. Near South Shore. Near South Shore. The South Shore approaching the crossings. That's
right.
I don't know what that is. There's the crossings I saw today when we were leaving. There's the crossings activated. We actually got stopped by a rail crossing right here.
And ask them if they make porcelain.
There's when it wasn't activated.
I
There's
Googled porcelain
again.
dentures in Tupelo. So it
There's
might
a
have just
video
popped up because it's
of me playing with the wooden
dentures
trains
in
there.
Tupelo, you know.
Well, full size the screen.
Yeah.
Ah, my phone just turned off.
So
I'm sorry about that, guys.
It says a lot of dentures now are made
Here.
with acrylic
Here's the video.
instead of porcelain. It says, as a result, acrylic teeth are more susceptible to abrasion and will wear down with time.
We got enough time on the video. So this was at the I Love Toy Train store today.
Well, maybe if they don't make them, let me know, and we'll try some other places to see if we can find a place that still makes them.
What time is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 8:52.
Yeah, that's what it shows.
Okay, so next video.
Yeah, I will. If I
Here's
get a
the
chance.
next video
You call it
from
when
there
you
at the I Love
Monday,
Toy
let
Train
me
store.
know. Alright. He's doing good. He's in there in the kitchen doing something.
I'm right here. Sorry, guys. Back to the video.
Carl. What's he doing in there?
Hold on, guys. Okay, back to the video. Sorry about that, guys. This was my favorite train right there. That was the only train running on the layout.
There's 40.
Yeah, that was 4018. That was my favorite too. Meow. I tried to follow the train.
Cool. Meow. Guys,
This was
these trains here.
there was
O gauge.
this was all the Lionel and MTH O gauge trains.
Milwaukee Road.
Those were like $199,
Meow.
or some were
Look at this one.
$89.
Wow, look at it go.
Okay. So there's the entrance. This sign was upside down. It actually says toys. TOYS.
Hey guys.
So, this is the Amtrak I caught today.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you've seen the video, so I won't play it. So here's the railroad crossings gates that were down when we were on our way to the toy train store. Gotta give me some more ketchup chips. Oh yeah. So, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This is Chips, Cheese, and Float Valve signing off, and I'm gonna eat you. Ah.